Hey there, look at this really nice instrument that I got. Thank you so much, Eric and Heather and Kim and James. This is really fun. It's a mahogany Seagull, and it's really interesting because it's just got the whole notes on here. No half notes to worry about. So it's just do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, and that makes it really easy to play. So it's a D, A, D, and this is a couple of strings that are paired together there. You can see, sort of. And well, anyway, and it's a very pretty instrument. Check that out. Isn't that nice? And it even has a little clip there if I want to put a strap on it. And so it's really exciting. So this is my first song. We're going to try this one here. Well, let's try that again. Bye-bye, Black Sheep. Thank you so much. I'm going to have fun with it, and we'll bring it next week, and we'll all learn how to play do, a deer, a female deer. Thank you.